Hey teachers, it's Tom. A little Wednesday wisdom for you. We're into the school year now. We're heading into October. Think about this one. Maybe pick out 3 students this week you haven't checked in with. Some of you don't know real well yet. Maybe somebody hide in the back of the room. But can we find 3 students this week who maybe aren't engaged fully in the learning process? Maybe check in with them in the hallway. Run them down at lunch, see if you can find them there or by the bus stop, and just check in. Ask them how they're doing. Ask them if they're learning anything in your class. But let's make contact this week with some sheep before they get out of the pen. This is Tom from Top 20. Have a great week. Thanks for being a teacher. If you ever need us, we're at www.top20training.com. See you later.